हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। आज कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 14 हाई स्कूल ग्रामर रन एंड मार्टिन बुक और चैप्टर है 2 फ्रेजेस। यहाँ पर आपको जो भी सेंटेंसेस दिए हैं एडवर्ब जो है उसमें रिप्लेस करना है एडवर्ब फेस से, इसका सेम मीनिंग आता हो। सबसे पहला सेंटेंस है द पिजन फ्लाइज स्विफ्टली। स्विफ्टली की जगह हो जाएगा विद स्विफ्टनेस। Did Rama behave well? Did Rama behave in a good manner? Go away. Go to a distance. The dying man replied feebly. The dying man replied in a feeble voice. Gently fell the rain. In a gentle manner fell the rain. We will pitch the tents just here. We will pitch the tents just in this place. He expects to get the promotion soon. Expects to get promotion in a short time. He built his house yonder. He built his house in that place. They have only recently arrived. They have only arrived a short time ago. Although hungry, the soldiers worked cheerfully. Although hungry, the soldiers worked with cheer. He spoke eloquently. He spoke with eloquence or eloquence. Soon the sun will set. In a short time, the sun will set. Do your work thoroughly. Do your work in a thorough manner. They were hurrying homeward. They were hurrying towards home. The door was suspiciously open. The door was open in a suspicious way. Formerly, he worked at the School of Economics. From that time onwards, worked at the School of Economics. He tried hard. He tried with all his might. यहाँ पर हमने जो एडवर्ब्स थे उनको एडवर्ब फ्रेसेस से चेंज किया है। आपको ये एक्सरसाइज अच्छी लगी, समझ में आई, सब्सक्राइब करिए आसा एजुकेशन। मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज में।